So my dear young colleagues, good evening to all of you. And today we have a unique feat. Mr. Prakash Ravji, I request him to come to the dais. Please come. He is a holder of Guinness record. Guinness record for memory recall. Right? You people read out different words. He will remember that, and in the same order he will be repeating the words. That needs a tremendous amount of concentration. Very, very difficult, isn't it? Yes or no? Can you try? 10 words? 10 words possible? 2 words?
1 word.
So, but if you find this memory recall, statistics says that women have a better memory than gents. Girls are not responding.
Boss, they know that, no? You are just saying for the sake
No, really. I can tell you.
Boss, how do you answer it?
It is
Wrong statement.
Ramarauji, from my experience I tell you, my wife remembers each and everything. 1980 December 14th, you are wearing a black shirt, and that day you said, my mother cooks better than you. Okay, so, and you have a definite recall of memory. And one small submission is that as and when the words are read out to him, he needs to get it to his subconscious. It's a very big process. For that, he needs a pin drop silence. Now silence is maintained. He needs a pin drop silence. So, however much interesting it is for you, or however boring it is for you, you have to be quiet and silent without a whisper. Then only his concentration levels will be there. Otherwise, it is going to play havoc. I can certainly tell you that it's not going to be that easy. Maybe after this silence of half an hour, you will tell me, sir, remembering 100 words is easier than keeping quiet for half an hour. Okay? Anyway, this is a good evening, very nice evening that we are going to have somebody doing a great thing, and we are honored, sir, by your friendship with us. Thank you so much. These proceedings will start now. And the MOU is that you will remain silent. Silent, absolute silence. Then only you will be able to register the words in his mind. 100 words is not an easy joke. That's good. Before that, I request Mr. Prakash Rao to tell something about how it is in the process. Welcome.
Dear Mohan sir and our colleagues, and Mohanji, thank you very much for your good words. But in general sense, many of you may be having better memory than me in so many areas, maybe remembering of names or remembering of telephone numbers, or in maybe other areas also. But this is a particular technique probably which I practiced for 2 years for the record purpose, and achieved that one way back in 2004. So it all started like when I was trained in this association and visualization technique in Bombay by Dr. Patankar in 1996. Then I practiced for this technique between 2002 and 2004 to make it 100 words. Then after that I applied and followed the procedure that has been suggested by Guinness and got the certificate. So the procedure is simply, in Guinness World Record, the procedure was different in fact, because there we have to, audience will bring some items, and we will keep some 400, out of 400 items they will select, and they will keep in front of 100 numbers. So I will be closing my eyes and sitting, and all the witnesses and press, print and visual media will be watching, and out of the 100 items, any item they can keep against any number, then one person will be reading them out. Then after listening them within 30 seconds I should start and recollecting. So that is how that procedure, because there is certain stipulated system is there in Guinness. So but here what we are doing is, because Mr. Ajit has collected some words and names from you. So that he would be reading out, and approximate time probably that would be taking is around 25 minutes to 25 minutes, because I need some time for sending that particular word into memory. And probably 100 words I performed very long back, maybe one in 2008 when I was in Bairaju Foundation, almost 4 years back. So, but after that again I did perform for some 60-50 items quite a few number of times. But again today, since all our banking colleagues are there, then I thought it would be just a fun exercise, and to give some entertainment part, and maybe because so again I repeat and restate that because this is not a very extraordinary talent, but by sheer hard work and practice achieved that one. And many of you may be having talents in different fields better than me in different areas. So only thing is whether we have to find out whether that particular talent is there in the record, then we have to maybe a little bit lift it up and apply for the record, that's all. So now, so that 25 minutes while Mr. Ajit will be reading out the proceedings, then probably silence, very much silence is needed, because maybe single talk or something like that, or something that will take a distract, and some words will be going out from the memory. So that is because we need to keep that concentration constantly for longer time. So I welcome our principal sir also. So it's a pleasure that he is here to witness the proceedings. Yeah, all the phones, yeah, all the mobile phones, then they all, please keep them in silent mode, certainly, because mobile certainly if they ring in between. First I need to check my own mobile.
Principal sir, please come to the dais. Comfortable there? So silence is a code not only for you, for your mobiles also. Maybe 1 or 2 ringtones also you should remember and play. Nice.
Probably maybe on that time. So now I will just closing. I will be just closing my eyes, and because not to because to have concentration, I will be closing my eyes and see. And Mr. Ajit will be reading out those items. And once one item I send it memory, I will raise my finger so that he will again read out the second item, because that is the signal I will give it to him by raising my finger that the one item is completed. Then after that second item will be read out. So that would be the procedure. Around 20-25 minutes time it may take. So that would be a little bit patience need to keep. Again I hand over.
Okay, for the latest colleagues, please put off your cell phones and you have to remain very silent, right? Ajit?